Welcome to the world of ultimate cuteness. Get ready to meet the fluffiest, squishiest, and most adorable stuffies on the planet. From classic teddy bears to internet sensations, we're ranking the top 3 cutest stuffies. Let the cuteness begin. Number 1. Get ready to meet the plushie that's taking the world by storm with its super soft, squishy magic. Say hello to the one and only Squishmallow. Their huggable appearance and dazzling designs make them the perfect cuddle buddies, from cuddly cats to squishy unicorns. Each Squishmallow is made with ultra-soft, marshmallow-like material that's perfect for squeezing, hugging, and snuggling. It's like a cozy cloud of comfort you can carry with you everywhere. Number 2, we have the Build-A-Bear Workshop Bears. These adorable bears let you make your very own special friend, dressed up in any outfit you like. They have the softest stuffing and a cute little heart you can put inside. You can make them just the way you want, which makes them super special and one of a kind. And let's be real, there's nothing better than a stuffy made with love and care. Number 3. So get ready to add a touch of slithering fun to your life. The Slither Doyo plushie is here to bring you endless joy and a whole lot of cuddles. Snuggle up and let the squiggly fun begin. Get ready to slither into a world of cuteness with the newest addition to your collection. Meet the Slither Doyo plushie. With its bright, eye-catching colors and super soft feel, this plushie is perfect for fans of all ages. Whether you're a top scorer in the game or just a fan of fun and fuzzy friends, this plushie is a must-have. Add some slithery, snaky joy to your life with this fabulous plushie. It's time to bring the magic of Slither Doyo into the real world. And there you have it, our top 3 cutest stuffies. Did your favorites make the cut? Let me know below. Thanks for joining us on this adorable journey. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun content. Until next time, stay cuddly.